Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Jung. Hope you guys are doing good. Today I'll be doing my discussion 3.2 demo on using randomization with a sample function. So in order to do this, you first gotta type in this one line right here, set.seed, parentheses, sys.time, then parentheses. And so what this does is pretty much it saves the current time in which this command is outputted or prompted into the computer, and it saves that random time, that's exact second, and then it uses that random time to print out random things. And so this is how randomization is used. And so every time you command this or print this out, it is a different second, exact millisecond time, and so that different time is used to randomize. And so after this, you could use a sample function, and you could also, so for its arguments, it's going to be a range. So it'll be the first value as the left value of the colon, and then the last value of the range as the right value of the colon. And then that's the first argument. And then you could type the amount that you want to print out, maybe like, let's say 8 values. We'll keep it at that for now. And then let's also assign it as my data. And then let's see what happens. And so on the console window, you could see there are 8 values. The second argument said that 8 values are what we want, and 8 values, and then they're all within the range of 1 to 10. So we made this range of 1 to 10. And these are all values within 1 to 10. And so let's see what happens if you make another argument called replace. And then let's make this T, which stands for true. Let's run this, and let's run this. And so, okay, so there's a slight difference if you pay attention to this new my data that we just created in the console. There are still 8 values, and they're all still within 1 to 10, the range of 1 to 10. But actually, you could see that there's a repetition of certain values, like 6. There's a 6 in the beginning and end, and there's also a 9 from here to here. You can see my cursor. And so what this means is when you say replace equals true, you're saying replace is true. And what does replace mean? You're saying that values like 6 and 9 can be replaced so that they can be reused after the initial use. And so 6 and 9 was first used here and here in the first and second values, but they're reused at the end because they're replaced and able to be used again. And so what happens if you put replace equals false or F? Let's see what happens. And you could see in the console window, there's once again 8 values, all within 1 to 10, but in this time there are no repeated values. And yes, there is not no repeated values. Okay, so now we know what sample does using 3 different arguments: the range, the amount of values, random values you want, and then the replace capability. And so hope this helps, and thank you for watching.